Yeah, I think, it's interesting talking to our developers about this, right? Because I think there's this kind of fear about AI coming to take our jobs.
Yeah.
you know and that's legit. I mean, our jobs are going to change, right?
Hmm.
But I do think earlier this year I had kind of a health scare. I was diagnosed with cancer. And so
Mm.
during the course of that, my husband works in data and analytics in healthcare. And kind of getting to know how they're using AI to augment healthcare has been fascinating. I think we're
Mm.
going to see the same thing on the application development side. And what I know is like, I still want my doctor on the other end of that, right? I still want somebody that understands what my care needs to look like, who I am as a human being, why those things are important. I think we'll see the same thing where AI is not going to replace us. It's going to augment us. It's going to make us faster. It's going to make us better at our jobs. And it's going to, it's really going to transform the way we do things. But I think it'll be for the better ultimately. And I do understand kind of the sci-fi scary, the machines are coming for us. You know.
Yeah.
And I don't discount that there's some very legitimate, fears around AI, but I think for the most part, this is really exciting, and it's really going to be cool to see what happens. I don't think we can really know right now.